Many anti-Israel organizations claim that Israeli lobbyists exert too much influence over American government. Now, admittedly, there are Israeli lobbyists, but there's lobbyists for just about everyone. I spent part of last summer shooting a healthcare documentary in Washington, D.C. and found considerable evidence of lobbying going on for Israel. But the lobbying efforts were not by Israelis. They were by Americans, because most Americans believe in democracy and are excited to support a fellow democracy in the Middle East.
Here we're today up here at Capitol Hill, just going to the different congressmen and representatives, senators, etc. It's pretty much expressing the need to support Israel, not only from a Christian standpoint, but also from the American responsibility to give Israel the right to exist as a nation. Also, just to rally support with our representatives and just push the issue of pro-Israel here in America.
Now, not all groups I met in Washington supported Israel for political reasons. Many were people who believed in the Bible and followed the biblical admonition to support Israel.
Yeah.
So tell me what's going on.
Well, I'm a Christian, and John Hagee Ministries came out today for Christians United for Jews, and I've been laid off for a year. I'm a construction worker in Fredericksburg, Virginia, out of Las Vegas, Nevada, and I came out here today because I didn't have the money to quite go to the fund deal for United for Christians and Jews. So I just came out here to support John Hagee Ministries and Israel, and God bless the Jewish people. They are our greatest ally and our best friend. They have an awesome Air Force, and they have a good army, and they are chosen and blessed by God. And if we do not stand behind Israel, we are fools. It says, "Those that bless my people I shall bless, and those that curse my people I will curse."
I would say for the most part, about 80–90% for the most part, like the individuals that, the representatives, the senators that we talked to, there was only a couple that did not, who were not pro-Israel and whatnot. So I'm from Alabama, and so the representatives we talked to are pretty much, that Alabama Bible Belt mentality of, pro-Israel all the way. So they were pretty receptive to what we headed to.
Now, next time you see people claiming that lobbying efforts are going on in Washington in support of Israel, you can know they're right. But remember, most lobbying for Israel is grassroots support from the general American public and not paid Israeli lobbyists.